Hi, are you looking to create landing pages but don't know where to start? Well, today I'm going to be using ChatGPT and showing you how it can create high converting landing pages with ease. So firstly, we've got to come up with what we are promoting. In this case, I'm going to be doing an example with an online productivity course. So we want Chat to write a catchy headline for a landing page selling an online productivity course. Focus on how users will save time and increase their productivity. So headlines, obviously, we want a headline that's going to get the user to click. So Chat's come up with that. Let's just get it to give me 5 more examples, just so we've got a bit of a selection. Now, obviously, you would go through this more in depth and find something that really works for you, but time-saving hacks for a productive life, that sounds pretty good. Let's go with this. Ooh. So we've got our title. Now what we want is a sub-headline. So now write a sub-headline that reinforces the benefits of the productivity course, highlighting ease of implementation and fast results. So we want your sub-headline to really just draw them in more and make them want to purchase your product. I think we could, simple actionable strategies you can implement today for immediate results, no overhaul required. Can you change that and make it a little longer? So I think that could do with a few more words, a little bit longer. Discover practical, easy to follow strategies that fit seamlessly into your routine, helping you achieve immediate results without overhauling your entire schedule. Perfect. Again, you guys will know what product you're working with. You'll be able to, see what works for you. If you think there is something Chat hasn't mentioned in here, you might just say something like, this course also takes less than 10 minutes per day. So, you might have some other point that is quite important. So just tell Chat whatever you think needs to be mentioned and it will come up with something for you. So we've got a headline, sub-headline. Now we want write the body copy for the landing page, focusing on how the course helps users save 5 hours a week, improve focus and reduce distractions. So here we go, it's added bullets, that's nice. Now, being that this is proper copy, you want to make sure it is formatted nice and neatly. Like here, I would probably break each sentence up to its own line. Makes it a little bit easier to use. Okay, so what we'll do is actually take this, chuck it into a document just so we can see how it should be all laid out. Which one do we go with? That one. So essentially, we just format it so it all looks nice and neat. That title, see, once you actually format it properly, you can see maybe that title could do with shortening a little bit. I mean, all this is quite small font. So as I was saying, I would break this up into easier to digest sections. Obviously on a website, you don't need to worry about pages. People will just be scrolling through. So essentially that's how I would format it to make it just a little bit neater and easier to read through as people are scrolling. So where are we up to? So we've got the body done. Now what we want is a call to action. So the call to action is what is actually going to get people to click. So in this case, we are offering a free trial. So write a CTA that encourages users to sign up for a free trial of the course, focusing on urgency and immediate benefits they will get. Ready to control, sign up for free trial now. So here you would link that, you'd add a button below it saying click here. Make it stand out a little more. Ready to take control of your time? Sign up for a free trial now and start saving hours each week. Don't wait. Unlock instant access to powerful time-saving strategies. Fantastic. So that'll definitely work. Now, something that's a little bit a little bit debatable are testimonials. So, I mean, I personally know that a lot of testimonials are fake. So this is something obviously you'll have to decide on. Do you want to just add some lies to try and make sales? 90% of other, well, not 90%, I won't say that, but quite a lot of people do these days. I mean, if you've already got a small audience, you could always ask them to write out testimonials for you. I'm sure if you've got a course, you've probably had someone else look through it. So, yeah, I mean, that's a decision you will have to make. Just try to get that all on the one page so I can see it better. So this course is a game changer. I saved 5 hours in my first week and finally feel in control. Can you please add a little bit of text above the testimonials? Do I even spell it correct? Don't just take our word for it. Hear from real people who have transformed their productivity with our course. Fantastic. So that will help to drive them in. Now back to red. Okay. So obviously this is going to need some more formatting, but I'm just trying to get through this a bit more quickly for you. So back over to chat. We want now a brief summary again. So add a brief summary of the course again below the testimonials. Fantastic. So ready to save time, boost productivity. Here's what you'll learn. Perfect. So now what we want below that is a... Oh. Now, add a final call to action. So they've gone through, they've had one chance to click buy or sign up for the free trial. They've then seen the testimonials. They've had another quick summary. So now hit them with one last final testimonial. Not final testimonial, one last final call to action. Don't let another week slip by. Sign up now for your free trial and start saving hours each week. Take the first steps towards a more productive, focused life. So there you have it. In no time at all, less than 10 minutes, you have actually got a pretty powerful... Yep, I would definitely say you've got a powerful document here that should definitely help to drive some sales. So now, what we could do, if you are planning on trying to rank this on Google, you could say something along the lines of rewrite the headline and body copy, incorporating the keywords best productivity course and increase efficiency. So this way you're going to be making sure that your web page is going to have, your landing page, is going to have some keywords in it, which will hopefully help it rank on Google. Obviously, that depends if you want this page to rank or not, but just give that to chat and let's see what it comes up with. Best productivity course to increase efficiency. Unreal. body copy. So I'm not going to copy and paste this and stuff around, but you can see here, increase your efficiency, our best productivity course, increase efficiency. So it's added a few keywords in there, which will definitely help with ranking. And I think I'll leave it there. So what's that? 10 minutes. We have created a very strong landing page. Obviously, it could probably do with another 5 to 10 minutes of editing, adding some images into it. But hey, for 10 minutes work, you've got something that could 100% convert viewers into customers. So thanks for watching. Have a good one.